I feel like it's kind of Coachella-y. Coachella-y? Is that a word? Should we add that to the Bridget vocabulary word? With residue-y. Hey y'all, so welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing our Boxycharm unboxing, and I don't know if I will be, well, since I'm going to be doing the Boxycharm unboxing, I'm not really, anyways, I don't think I'm going to be doing my Ipsy versus Boxycharm this month because my Ipsy was shipped out on the 7th, and today is the 14th, so that was like a week ago, and it is legit sitting, like I've tracked it, and it's just sitting. It hasn't moved for a week. So I don't even know when I'm going to get my Ipsy box. So I just figured might as well go ahead and show you guys what I got in my Boxycharm. And I think this time I'm going to go ahead and kind of do a little try on portion for you guys so we can test out the products and see what we think of them. So be sure to hit that thumbs up button before you do anything else and subscribe down below to become a part of the hashtag FamJam here on my channel. So for the theme of the month, it is called Make Waves. It's kind of beachy vibes, I guess, I'm a feeling. So first up in the box is this Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. Here's what it looks like. The packaging is just stunning. So this retails for $28. And here's what the inside looks like. The bottle's also that like oil slick, iridescent, I don't know, I'm loving it. Loving these vibes. So I can't really try this on, but I will try this out tonight and leave you guys a little what I think in the bio down below, so check that out. Next up in the box is this Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. Here's what the box looks like. And it is in the shade Cupid. It's kind of a purpley, pinky. It's beautiful. And it is so pigmented. Like here's it swatched just one swipe. That is so beautiful. This is so exciting. I love it. This one retails for $22, the Ciate London. Next up, I got this Oryza Beauty. It's a opaline top gloss. It retails for $14.99. Here's what it looks like. It's just it looks like it's just gonna be a pretty shimmer gloss. Nothing too special. And when I swatched it, it doesn't like feel sticky at all. It has a light scent, very light like vanilla scent. It's the second swatch here. It looks really pretty swatched. And then next up in the box are these Pure Pro Eyelash Curlers for $18. And these are really cute because they kind of match the Glam Glow cleanser. They're like that same iridescent oil slick look. I'm kind of excited about this. I have one other pair of eyelash curlers. And I use them every now and then, but since these are like really cute and fun, maybe I would go ahead and use them. So last thing in the box is this Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio palette. I got the medium tan one. And this one retails for $22. There's what the front looks like. And here's what the inside shades look like. So these are beautiful. And they are super creamy when I'm swatching them here for you guys. So there are the swatches there on my arm. So pretty. I love blush so much. So we're going to go ahead and do a quick try on here. So first I'm just going to go in with my blush palette here. And I'm legit, I think I'm just going to take like, I think I'm going to just take all three of these shades and like I've been really enjoying just like mixing blushes. There is a good amount of fallout whenever I dipped into this shade called Seclusion. You can see it fell out there on the pan a little bit. Oh, that is really pretty. And they're kind of like an iridescent blush. I don't really feel like they're a matte, you know? And I kind of go a little heavy when I apply blush. Just because I kind of like my blush to be like a statement on my face. I don't know, that might sound crazy. I might be crazy, but that's just what I like. Alright, so I love the blush. Next, I'm going to try on this Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow by Ciate London. I'm not going to do a whole like eye look. I think what I want to do is just kind of do like a light like wash of color and kind of just see what that looks like. Because, you know, there are these people out here who just kind of want to go for like, you know, a light, you know, like an easy eye look. And I think this product is going to be perfect for that like easy eye look type of a day. I am living for this look. Like, I actually can achieve this look by just applying whenever I apply this Fenty How Many Carats highlighter, when I apply this all over my eyes, I can actually achieve pretty much the same look, except this one doesn't have as big a gold reflex in it. I'm going to go ahead and just do the other side. I'm going to go ahead and go in with just like another little layer over here. Okay, so this one I has 2 layers, this one only has 1. I really think I like them both. I could tell a little bit of a difference that this one is a little bit more pigmented on the second look, but I think this stuff is beautiful. I will try out these eyelash curlers, but I think they're gonna be just like any other like generic eyelash curler. Is it just me, or do you ever like freak out whenever you go to use eyelash curlers? I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna like stab my eyeball out or something. I don't know, and then this thing is like holding onto your eyelashes, and it's like, I don't know, it's kind of scary. So every time I'm trying to curl my eyelashes, I try not to like blink my eyes, because otherwise I feel like it's gonna like yank my eyelashes out. Okay, so I could tell that it did a decent job like curling the lashes over here. So, you know, those seem like they're gonna work out pretty good. I am just going to go ahead and finish off by using this Oryza lip gloss. I do see that it's in the shade called Champagne Cocktail. This really matches the cream eyeshadow. It's not a thick lip gloss at all. I can kind of feel the glitter in this just a little bit. It's pretty glittery. But I feel like that's kind of the theme of the box this month. I feel like it's kind of Coachella-y. Coachella-y? Is that a word? Should we add that to the Bridget vocabulary word? With residue-y. Anyways, that is going to be it for my try-on portion of this video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoy this. Please let me know in the comments down below if you like try-on portions. Do you not? Do you want me to skip out? Would you rather just see what I got? Anyways, y'all, don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.
Hey, guys. So if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.